Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I'm gonna do a shoe unboxing. And here is the box or the package. And I'm super excited because I can't wait to finally wear it. So let's open it up. By the way guys, as you can see, I have a new background right here because I found this spot in our house that has really good lighting, as you can tell. So yeah, I decided to film here. So here is the box, and now let's open it up. I'm scared because I feel like I'm gonna rip the tissue again. It's so pretty. So this is the new shoes that I got that I mentioned in my previous vlog. If you haven't seen it, this is the woman Nike Dunk Low. I got the size 8.5 women's, which is size 7 in men's or in youth size. So this is it. I'm super happy. So it looks like. Let's check the other one. So this is how it looks like. Me being clumsy. I got this pair from Kicks for Cake on Instagram. It's where I got my dark mochas as well. Later, I'm gonna show you my dark mochas just so you can see it in the video because I didn't do an unboxing video on that. But I'm super happy about this. Some people call it the Panda as well, but I know there's an SB Dunk Low Pandas. Panda because obviously it's black and white, and you guys know how much I love pandas and I love black and white. I don't think I have a black and white sneaker. Wait, I do. I have an Onitsuka, but this is way too different. By the way guys, I was thinking to make a video about styling these or putting an outfit wearing this Nike Dunk Lows or my Jordan 1 dark mochas. Let me know if you guys want that, or DM me on Instagram if you guys like that video idea, but I kind of want to do that. Let me try them on and let's see how it looks like when worn. So that is how the Dunk Low looks like on my foot, and it's true to size. Also, it fits comfortable even though I just wore it for like 1 minute. By the way guys, I was thinking to make a video about styling these or putting an outfit wearing this Nike Dunk Lows or my Jordan 1 dark mochas. Let me know if you guys want that, or DM me on Instagram if you guys like that video idea, but I kind of want to do that. Super excited to wear it out. Also, I've read reviews that they're actually really comfortable, so that's one of the reasons that I got it. Also guys, let me show you my dark mochas because I just mentioned it in my other video. So this is how the box looks like. I wore this already guys, and I ripped the paper because me being clumsy. It came with black laces and white. So guys, it also came from a Kicks for Cake. So if you're looking for sneakers, then go check his page out. And if there's something that's gonna be released soon, you can go ask him if he can cop them for you. So that's what we did on this one. Anyway, this is my dark mochas. I got this in a 7Y, which is 7 in men's and 8.5 in women's. So I just had the white laces on here, and look, it's really so pretty. This is my dream Jordan 1 shoes. Well, I like the twist ones, but they're so expensive now. So this is how it looks like. It's really so pretty. I love the neutral colors. I love this dark mocha here. I don't think I'll be ever changing the laces. Well, if it gets dirty, I kind of had like a foundation stain on this already somewhere here, because when I did my makeup, I had like foundation stains on my hand, and then I put on the laces without realizing that I had foundation left over in my hand. And as you can see, I creased them already. That's it. So guys, let me know if you want me to style these Jordan 1s or these Dunk Low black and white, because I'll be so happy to do that video. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like this is my first shoe unboxing video, because I did bag unboxing, but I never did a shoe unboxing, I think. Like just a shoe unboxing video. So this is the start, guys. I feel like I'm gonna be a sneakerhead. So yeah, let me know, guys, if you like this video, and don't forget to click the like button. Comment down below what are your thoughts on my new shoes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.